Alright, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. We're going to do a peppered pork pita with a grilled romaine toss salad. So we've got some of our ingredients out here. First thing is I'm going to whip up a quick little dressing. We've got a little bit of brown sugar, balsamic vinegar, and we have our oil. We're just going to whisk these together real quick. Let it set, and if it separates a little bit, we can just whisk it back together. Alright. So, we've got our pan heated up here. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. We have our pork already cut up. We're going to go in with a little bit of roasted peppers and garlic first. Okay, now we're going to go in with our sliced pork. Let's season this. Alright, in the meantime, while that is cooking, you can do what I've done here. We've got some tomatoes that we've just kind of chopped up very roughly, toss them in a little bit of olive oil and fresh herbs, and those are ready to go. You can let those set aside. And also you can chop up your romaine hearts just all into equal pieces, toss them with olive oil, salt, and pepper. We're going to throw those on the grill. You just want to grill those until they get a little bit of char on them and they lightly wilt. Pull those off the grill, and then we'll add all of this to it at the very end. We're just going to do this until the pork is cooked through. And we're going to put these on some nice pitas. Alright, so you can see we've got a little bit of color on our pork now. That's exactly what we're looking for, and it's going to be cooked through. So now this is basically done. You can feel the heat on it. Set it aside, and then we're going to add these to our pitas. We're going to throw our salad together, and we'll show you the finished product in just a few minutes. Alright, so you can see that we have grilled our romaine. It wilts up, you get a little bit of char on it. You might lose a little bit of it depending on the size grates on your grill. If you have large grates on your grill, just throw a piece of foil down. You'll get the same effect. It'll work just fine, or you can even grill these in a foil packet, or you could even do it on a stovetop grill pan if that's a little bit easier. So we've got our tomatoes. We're going to add those to the pita in just a minute. We've got our dressing here. So I want to whisk this back together real quick. I'm going to add a little bit. Lightly toss that together. While the romaine is still hot, you want to take some of the cheese that we've grated. Kind of sprinkle it in. And that's all there is to the grilled romaine toss. I'll show you the finished product in just a minute.